Glam Crew, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. Today we have a swimsuit try-on haul from a company called SheCurve. I'll put their name right there. We're gonna try on 3 swimsuits. I'm excited to try this one. Cute little travel print. We're gonna try on 3 swimsuits. It is vacation season. Summer is coming up, so we need to look good at the barbecues, at the pool parties. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. And I think I have a discount code for you all. So somewhere in here will be a discount code and you can shop. You know, we like to budget travel, we like to budget shop, we just like to save that money. Check the description box, shop with my link, save you a few coins. Okay, so this color, I was not liking it at first, but look how bold this color is. Oh, this is stretchy and it's gonna like snap that stomach in. So if you've been eating at the barbecues, you're gonna be snatched in. And these are all a size large. Big Nikki, large and in charge. So these are our 3 swimsuits. I'm gonna go ahead and change into them. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and watch the full video. Let's try on this yellow, earthy yellow. It has like a crisscross design in the back. And like I said, it's gonna be tightening and sucking in the stomach. See, like, okay. I've been eating. But yeah, this swimsuit gonna suck me in. Nice and tight. Okay, the material's snapping a little bit. Nothing is ripping. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right. I promise y'all, these try-on hauls be like a total body workout for you, girl. So, let me take this off. So we can get an accurate judgment if this is going to be big breast friendly, big back friendly. Just straighten this up. Get your hair out the way. And boom. I love this. Wait a minute, my hair's stuck. I love how this looks. Y'all, look how it's slimming the stomach. Wait a minute. Ooh, it got the little ruching on the side. Okay, light padding. Cute little crisscross design in the back. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Size large. It stretches just right. I am a 38 triple D, double D, one of the two. I need to go get remeasured since I lost a little weight. Let me know what you think of this swimsuit. Let's head on over and try the black. Y'all know I love me a black swimsuit, and it has gold accessories with it, little highlight to it. Love it. Let's get into it. All right, Glam Crew, we are back in the next swimsuit, and I love how this fits. It's not a basic black Look at it. Gold hardware. Oh, mesh. A light padding. Oh, mesh back here. And a little bow. Oh, look at the bow. And it's going to hold all of that side fat in. Side fat. And the back fat. I love this swimsuit. It's a size large. Light padding. Nothing is going to spill out. Everything is in place. Go enjoy yourself. Wear this to the family pool, vacation, anywhere and everywhere, because it's going to hold you in and you are going to look amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Oh, and the straps are adjustable. They are adjustable. And it has the ruching in the tummy. So if you have a mommy pouch, or if you're just bloated, whatever you like to eat, because baby, I like to eat, and I had a baby. That's why I had surgery. But until you get your surgery, if that's what you want, get your swimsuit from SheCurve, because it literally sucks you in. Every swimsuit has like that built-in, you know, and it's discreet. It's discreet. Let me try on the last swimsuits because it looks amazing. The color is bright and bold, and it has like this little bit of tribal printing in it. Is this tribal printing? It looks like it. I don't know what we gonna call this, but side ruching. Let's get it on. Okay, isn't this swimsuit super cute? That was super cringe, but I don't care. This is not the full swimsuit, but look at this bold color. This instantly makes me want to go line dance. Y'all know that Tamaya? Dun, 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 dun. I can't get enough of you. I don't even know the words, but we gonna sing it. Yes, we are. Now, this is a size large. And did y'all hear it snapping? Some stitches came out a little bit. So this one, you might have to wiggle and jiggle to get in it. But once you wiggle and jiggle and get in there, y'all. So these obviously are not high-waisted, but let me fix them, y'all. We gon' see what we got going on. Just keep pulling it up. Okay, wait, this is high-waisted. This is cute. All right, let me check the back. Make sure the cheeks is covered. All right. So this is like mid high-waisted. I don't know if that makes sense because it's not gonna cover all the back rows. If you have a little bit of junk in your trunk, then this is not gonna come up as high. But it does, you know, come up enough to cover a little bit of the back. I like that these straps are thick and adjustable. Light padding in the fronts. Super cute. This color, this color is like such a beautiful turquoise. I love it. And then we got like our little tribal design right there. And we got our side ruching. You can tie this, you can scrunch it up more if you like that effect, or you can pull it down to give you some more side room. So I'm gonna pull this side up just to see what it does look like when it's scrunched up more. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't actually scrunch, but it just gives the illusion. Say it with me now. Illusion. I love this. Let me know in the comments what you think about this swimsuit. This is definitely a keeper. This could be a mommy swimsuit, vacation swimsuit, girls trip. This swimsuit would be really cute for like all you and your homegirls to match in this. I definitely like it. Very colorful, very flattering. And again, this is a size large. You got most of this covered up. Boom. I can move in it and I don't feel restricted. So this is definitely a winner. Go check out SheCurve, because SheCurve got your girl together. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share. Go share this video with your mother, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, your bestie. Yeah, go share this with all of them and tell them to check out these gorgeous swimsuits. Just because we are big and plus size with curves does not mean we cannot get cute swimsuits. SheCurve has you covered for the big girl swimsuits. Bye, Glam Crew. Thank you for watching.